Hello. What a good little bird. Are you dried off enough now? Can you fly away? I have some good still pictures of you, but I wanted to get a little bit of video. You've been there all the time it was raining. You gonna go now? Are you gonna go now? What a pretty bird. What a pretty little bird. You be careful of strangers though, okay? Yes, you be careful of strangers. Yes, not everybody loves pigeons. But I love you. Yeah. You're a good bird. Yes, you are. You're a very good bird. Pretty bird. Pretty little bird. Yes. Are you all dried off now? Can you fly? You gonna go look for Mom and Dad? You gonna go look for your Mommy and Daddy? I just have to prove to people how sweet these birds really are. These are our messenger birds. Yes. At one time, keeping them as a pet was a very popular thing. Yes. And you helped out in wartime, big time. You helped out in wartime, pigeons. Yes. Oh, what a pretty bird.